Hello guys, welcome to this course of ES6. In this video we'll talk about the JavaScript generators and how to use them. While using the regular function in a JavaScript, it is executed based on run to completion model. It cannot be paused midway and continue where it was paused later on. For example, when you create a function generate, and when you call the function will be executed from top to bottom and it cannot be paused on the midway. So ES6 introduced a new kind of function that is called function generator or generators, which is different from the regular function that we use. The generator function can be paused midway and continue from where it was paused. Let's create a function. To define the function as a generator, we need to use the asterisk after the function keyword and write the function name. Let's comment the previous code. First time as I already said that as we'll use the asterisk after the function keyword, so to denote that the function is a generator. Second, the eld statement is used because it returns a value and pauses the execution of the function. So we'll write let g equals to generate, which invokes the generator. This generate function will return a generator object with two properties, done and value. So when we do console.log and g.next, you can see the function has written a value 1 and paused the execution of the function. Secondly, when you do g.next, the next written value is 2 and pause the function. Similarly, on third time it will return the value of 3 and pause the execution of the function. Similarly, here is the next example where you can use the function generator. You can write the function asterisk will create a never ending sequence made using the function generator. So we'll define a index variable with a value of 0 inside while loop until true. We'll return a value of index incremented. So first, when you invoke the forever function generator, it will return the generator object. So when you do console.log f.next, you can see it return the value of 0. When you do again, value will be 1. Again the value will be 2. Again the value will be 3. Value will be 4. Each time we call the next method on the forever generator, it will return the next number in the sequence starting from 0. So in this way you can use the function generator. This much for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.